So while I was making a joke the other day about our Deborah unit, I wanted to show you guys exactly what Deborah actually looks like when she is really put together and the different characteristics of our Deborah unit. Deborah is a salt and pepper with a yaki textured hair that mimics traditional gray hair. If you guys can think about it, gray hair is not super duper silky unless that is your actual hair texture where it's fine textured. Gray hair is traditionally a little more coarse, but she is still very much so high quality. Deborah comes with a pre-part. So it's not a free flow or a free part unit where it's a 7x6. Deborah is already parted on the side, and then you have a little lace in the front, which is a 6-inch lace. So if you want to be able to install her or lay her down with adhesive, you can absolutely do so. She also comes with a elastic band already incorporated in the unit, and it's still using our breathable wig cap technology. Deborah also has a comb attachment in the back, and then she has a comb attachment on the left and the right side temple. She also has the ability to make the cap tighter by using the adjustable straps. When I put Deborah on, or any wig that I put on, I'm going to use our wig grip. Remember, wig grips come with every single Privé seamless order. Now, keep in mind, I did not do anything to my hair in regards to tinting the lace or anything like that. I'm literally just putting her on with nothing, exactly how she would come in the package. And then you are able to easily customize your lace, which we give you the instruction video. I'm gonna put Deborah on exactly as she is, no customization. I'm gonna go ahead and put her down on my head first. So Deborah is more like a bob unit. She's very full. She is a 200% density, which was also very important because we wanted to make sure that all of our units had enough hair where the units actually last. Remember, units shed just like your natural hair. So if you start with a 150 or 120% density, by the time you're done, you have no hair left. Now, to make her nice and flat, I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just going to really go right at the part and lay her down just a little bit. I didn't put any product on her, but I'm just using my hot comb to lay my part down and make her nice and smooth. Really easy. All of our Privé units are very easy to customize. You do not have to be a cosmetologist to customize your unit. And as you guys can tell, she is 100% human. There is no synthetic fibers. There's no blend in any of our units. All of our units can be curled. All of our units can be hot combed. You don't have to worry about wondering the quality and hoping that it doesn't melt when you go to use your hot comb or your flat iron. When Deborah comes, she is actually already curled. So you do already have some layering in her. You don't have to do a lot of customization. If you're one of those women where you like that full hair, you love that fullness, you don't have to do much of anything other than frame her to your face and then give her a little bit of curl. Now, if the part is too high up for you and you want a lower part, you do have enough lace that you can do. I still have enough lace to part her again. And then I would take my hot comb and directionalize my hair. Some people like that deep part, some people don't. I love deep part bobs, so this for me is giving life. Simple hot comb technique. All I'm doing is pushing that hot comb right down and making the part. Just don't burn yourself. You can do this on a mannequin head. Keep in mind, we do also offer customization kits where you get the mannequin head and everything that you need to be able to customize your unit off your head. If you want to just go with her the way she is, you'll take your flat iron, you can curl her. I have my iron set to 450 degrees. I'm gonna now turn my iron up to 500 degrees so you can see really how good of quality the hair is that is on our Privé units. So I have it at 500 degrees right now. No burning, no funny smells, no nothing. If you want to wear her more straight, you can. If you want her to have this more layered look, you can also wear her this way. It's really your choice. You have a lot of flexibility with our units. Like a straight bob, y'all see that? Now I'm gonna do a slight feathering style. And again, if you want more layers cut in her, we also offer the service where you can cut more layers. That's a customization add-on where we do all of the cutting for you. And then this last little piece here, I'm just gonna do it really quick. Right now, I have the iron set to 500 degrees. And as you guys can tell, there's no burning. It's not changing the texture of the unit. It's not doing any of that. So you have the ability to wear her as a straight bob, or if you like that layering on one side and you still want her to be somewhat more straight, you have the ability to do that as well. She is stacked in the back like a traditional bob, so there's a lot of stacking going on back there, but you have a good density and you have the ability to make her straight or give her curls, or if you want her to be layered like such, just that simple. The lace again is really easy to customize. As you guys can tell, the lace is almost blending with my forehead. I've done nothing to this unit. I haven't even used my foundation or anything on it, so that you can see exactly what it looks like. And all you're gonna do, add your foundation, tint that baby on, put that baby on, and be out. Come on now. So that's Deborah. And of course, all of our units are available at MissCrystalWilliams.com or PrivéSeamless.com. I love the texture.